beginning to move into the realm of tyrants and trauma, we want to be really gentle. And I wouldn't, without knowing a lot more about the situation, I wouldn't really care too much about empathizing with the tyrant or getting into that point of view, because the trauma and the harm that was caused is more important to tend to first. So that's one piece. When we've done a lot of healing, way down the road, and when we've done a lot of reclaiming of ourselves and a lot of capacity building, some people sometimes do want to go and understand. They want to take the enemy image of the tyrant and really rehumanize the wounded human who was also enacting trauma that they hadn't healed. And there can be room for that. But 99.9% of the time, I would say we don't go there quickly, because it runs the risk of invalidating the harm that was caused by trying too quickly to minimize it by understanding the other. So there is a place for it, but I'd be really careful about the trajectory and the pacing and the timing. It's a developmental stage you can grow into, and don't bypass the other work to get there. It can be very healing for a while to really validate and acknowledge the tyranny of something when an attachment figure behaved in ways that were exceedingly painful and kicked up suffering. First, we want to know that place.